Hi guys, Jai from EpicAirsoftHD again. We're going through another playlist today. We're going to go through all the AKs that we've reviewed and we're going to put them in ascending order. So from worst performance to best performance. We've selected them carefully between performance and of course value. No one wants to buy a £600 AK that doesn't shoot very well, so we've kind of arranged it in that order. Reasons to buy an AK is they're great starter guns, they have a version 3 gearbox that's really strong, they also perform really well out of the box, most stock guns, we even get some modified ones in there. Look out for the Better Projects AK and the Echo 1 AMD 65. Great value guns, really cool looking. All you need to do is click on this annotation, or you can just sit back and relax and let the playlist go from start to finish.